How to authorize eBay with CJ dropshipping. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up the CJdropshipping.com, and you can also open it up on your mobile application. It is completely fine. And after that, go to the section of My CJ. If you are on the mobile device, then just simply open up My CJ. Then open the options, and in the list of options you will be able to find the option of authorization, and over there go to the section of others, and this way just add eBay there, and after entering your store name you would be able to authorize it. But on your desktop you would be able to find the authorization in a different set of list. So just simply go to the authorization on CJ dropshipping, and then you would be able to find different platforms, and eBay should be there like this. So just simply select eBay, then type your store name and authorize it, and this is how easy it is to authorize the eBay on CJ dropshipping. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.